they were better. They were a better team. That's also sometimes can happen. So we play against today one team, so it's the same training last, I think, 2 or 3 years. The last season it was until the end fighting for to win the Premier League. So played with the talent, and we knew how aggressive they are, home away, but especially home. Yeah, maybe yeah. Yeah. But I had to take decisions before. And I'm a guy who I lose, I try to understand when they are is better. So it was a game, and they were better, and of course you have to, we will learn. So the way how they play, maybe it's going to happen again, and how to have to do to don't happen again. Normally can normally happen when you don't win, and always you miss the players, it doesn't win. Of course Kevin is a fantastic player, but I think today the way the play was, it would have not changed too much.